Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can convert proposal to an invoice on LessAccounting. To convert proposal to an invoice, you need to go to proposal section under sales and click on the proposal which we want to convert to an invoice. So in my case, I have proposal 0004. If you do not need to do any changes to convert this to an invoice, you have options provided here, and there is convert to invoice. Okay, and invoice being generated already, and we can select template. Firstly, I have separate template for invoice, change currency if required, and review and send this invoice. Okay, now we have three options to choose from: either email, invoice as an attachment, download and print as PDF, or mark as sent and don't email. So in my case, I will select mark as sent and don't email. If you want to send as an email attachment, make sure that you provide the email address in step 2. And in final step, if you need, you can change your text and subject. So I will mark as sent and don't email and select an invoice date. So I will keep 22nd. Mark that one as sent. So now when I'm looking here, there is invoice marked as unpaid. I can edit this invoice or delete invoice. If I go back to proposals, this proposal has been converted to invoice and there is note saying that I can view invoice and it's showing as unpaid. So this is a way how you can convert proposals to an invoices on LessAccounting. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my complete LessAccounting tutorial and review of this accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.